Chinese ships tailed and pointed lasers at aircrafts and vessels of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, or BFAR, in the West Philippine Sea. This incident happened during a maritime patrol by the BFAR. Aside from harassing BFAR ships, the Chinese missile ship also pointed a laser 3 times at the BFAR plane. Meanwhile, according to a security analyst, the Chinese missile ships took alarming and unexpected actions, adding that China's harassment should not be tolerated as it could result in a worsened relationship between the Philippines and China in the West Philippine Sea.
Tingin ko isang provocation ito at yung pagle-laser nila sa mga eroplano natin, hindi lang ginagawa sa atin ito, kundi ginagawa rin ito sa mga malalaking bansa katulad ng Australia, US, at nakita natin na yung ganitong mga gray zone tactics nila, ginagawa pa rin nila sa atin. Halimbawa na lamang yung tapon ng mga flares nila doon sa Himpapawid. Hindi bago ito na ginagawa. But at the same time, of course, patuloy pa rin natin nakikita yung gray zone tactics nila. It could be possible na ito yung way nila para itaboy tayo doon sa sarili nating teritoryo